The pen tool is another powerful tool used by millions of Photoshop users all over the world, although in catalog retouching its use is limited. First of all, we don't really need to create paths, selections are quite enough for the task at hand. Also, the pen tool is great when you need to select something with sharp and smooth edges, but it's almost useless in all the other cases. And it's not easy to master and quite slow to work with, but it's absolutely necessary for any catalog retoucher to be able to use it because in some cases it's the only tool capable of selecting something in particular, especially when an object is white and it blends with the background. I will not be explaining the basics of this tool because you most probably know how to make curvy shapes with its help, and we don't really need to do anything more complex than that. So just a few crucial facts about it. When you click it, it makes a straight line from one point to another. When you click and drag, it makes a curved line depending on how you move the pointer. When you click and drag, if you hold space at the same time, dragging will move the point instead of changing the curve. If the previous line was curved, the next one will be curved too, and the angle will depend on the previous curve. If you want the next line to be straight, hold Alt and click on the last point. Then you can make it straight or curved if you wish. You can also drag corners by holding Alt, clicking on them and moving. But I try to avoid it as it's time-consuming. Sometimes it's faster to just undo the point and redo it properly. Remember that by pressing Ctrl-Enter, you can quickly turn your path into a selection, even if it's unfinished. Also, if you press the Settings button in the Pen Tool panel and check the Rubber Band checkbox, you'll see this helpful imaginary curve that will show you how exactly it will look when you set the next point. It might be annoying for some users, but for those just starting to master the Great Pen, it might be of use.